Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am back again with one more Ielts speaking mock test for you. So you know the rules. You have to listen to the question, pause, record yourself, and then go to the next question. After you have completed your test, you have to evaluate yourself according to the speaking band descriptor. So let's begin today's speaking. First, part 1, that is interview or personal questions. It is also a warm-up session. You will be asked 2 to 3 topics along with some personal questions like your name, work, studies. Each answer should be no more than 35 seconds. So after you hear the question, pause itself, record for less than 35 seconds and then move on to the next question. Let's begin. So, hello, I am Anshu, your examiner. Could you tell me your full name, please? Which do you prefer? Holiday in a city or a countryside? Do you like traveling by train, plane or car? Do you like foreign or domestic holidays? Do you like to dine out when you on a holiday? What is the main reason for going on a holiday? What did you do last weekend? Do you like to spend your weekends with family or friends? What do you like to do on your weekends? Do you like receiving presents? Who was the last person you gave a present to? Is it better to give someone money rather than giving them presents? Why and why not? That it is for your part 1 questions. Now let's move to part 2 cue card. Here you will be given a question and 3 bullet points. You need to prepare for 1 minute on the topic. Take notes if you want, and then you have to speak for maximum 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes. So after the 1 minute preparation time, when I tell you to start, you stop the video, record yourself for maximum 2 minutes and then move on to part 3. So here is the cue card for today. Describe a business leader you like and admire. You should say who they are, where you first found out about him, what you liked about them. Also say if this person has an influence on you. So your preparation time for 1 minute starts now. Your preparation time for 1 minute is over. Now you can Pause the video and record yourself for maximum 2 minutes. Now let's move on to part 3, that is general discussion. You have to answer maximum 50 seconds. Do not go beyond 50 seconds. Complete your answer for less than 50 seconds. Here is your first question. What qualities make someone a good leader? Is there any difference between men and women as leaders? Do leaders have a responsibility to behave in a certain way in public? Are people born leaders or is this something they learn? That is it for your speaking text. Hope you did well. Now evaluate your answers according to the descriptive bands given for IELTS speaking. Do like, subscribe and share our channel to spread this knowledge and help everyone prepare in the most effective way for IELTS exam. See you next time. Bye bye.